Want to create a poll on Instagram, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create polls on Instagram, both in stories and in feed posts. Now let's get started. To create a poll on your Instagram story, begin creating a new story as normal, either by snapping a new photo or video, uploading one from your device, or using Create mode. Then tap the sticker icon at the top. Select Poll. Now add a question for your poll, and enter options you want to allow your followers to choose between. You can add up to 4 choices in your poll. Once you've added the options, tap Done at the top. You can then place the sticker wherever you want it to appear in your story. Edit your post with additional text or stickers if you like, then tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. When your followers view your story, they can simply tap an option to vote for it. You can see the results of your poll by swiping upwards on your story post. To create a poll on an Instagram feed post, begin creating an Instagram post as normal. This can be with a photo, video, or carousel. When you get to the posting stage, tap Poll below the caption text box. Just like in story polls, you can add a question and up to 4 poll options. Type in what you want the question and choices to be, then tap OK. Go ahead and share your feed post as normal. When your followers view your post, they'll see the poll below your image in the caption section, and can tap an option in your poll to vote, and you'll be able to see the results. That's all it takes to create polls on Instagram. Want to learn about other useful Instagram stickers? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.